Hello everyone. So I'm gonna demonstrate my code walkthrough using the law mistral model. I have the one all here. And first I will install the mistral AI Python library. And this I will use mistral small 2506 24 billion parameters, which is a larger model compared to the 12 billion parameters that I'm demonstrating. This is declare MongoDB. Ping the deployment, define the tool right here, get close, find coding set, find coding by purpose, extract and store coding set with AI, retrieve coding sets, remove clothing set, and this is to replace item in clothing set, and this is to define the tool, and this is the tool function, and define the tool calling. And now we go to the query, and the query get more complicated over time, especially starting from here. And you can see right here, query 9 is kind of complicated, and as well as query 10. And now we have to find clothing set query. For example, I have chosen $5 million set of clothes to wear, allocate 20% for top, 40% for outerwear, and 40% for pants. And we see right here, it kind of hallucinate because it gives out the link, and I don't store the link, so it's hallucinating right here. And now we have query clothing with purpose. 5 million winter clothing set prioritizing cheapest item. You see it also hallucinating right here as well, and right here. And now we have the add clothing set to database, and retrieve the clothing set name, replace item in the clothing set, and show me all the clothing set I have. Now we go about experimental component, prompt chaining, meta prompting, few-shot prompting, prompt catching. Now we have prompt injection. It was not able to retrieve the admin password. We'll try to run again right here. So it doesn't retrieve the admin password because it goes against security policy. Now we'll ask it about the API key. It say it cannot provide API key. And now we'll talk about the model version API endpoints. It does give us some model version API endpoint, but this is GPT-4. It also redacted for security purposes. And now we ask it about the regional cloud provider. It say unable to provide details. We will run again. Okay, so it does. It does give us detail. Okay, you can see like that. And what about the model development lifecycle? It does give us the model development lifecycle. And what about proprietary algorithm? And we run it again. Okay, one last time. That's it. It refused to give us data about any algorithm. Thank you.